What's up, Bar Wheels family? It's your boy Kubo back at it again with another little video. Today we got the 92 hatch and a product from JDI Inc. Jordan Distributors. We're gonna be doing the main relay switch conversion and kill switch. Here's the components. It's the main relay right here, and then the kill switch right here. I'll make sure to tap in the JDI, and we're going to be installing this shortly. Let's get it. Alright guys, the first step is get you a screwdriver. You're going to be taking off 1, 2, and 3. This is for an EG Civic hatchback, and then all this is going to come right off. Be alright. Here's the panel that came off. It's gonna look like that right here. Alright guys, for the second portion, this is the main relay, the OEM that comes with the vehicle. These usually go out bad, obviously, and this is the conversion we're gonna be doing. You're gonna need a 10 mil to use it right here, to take this bolt off, to take this out. It's right there. Alright guys, once you remove that 10 mil bolt right there, it's gonna look like this, and you're gonna press in that little hinge and remove it from the main relay. Sheesh. Alright guys, this is the JDI component. This is the old OEM. This is the relay right here, and this is the new one. This portion's gonna attach to what we have down here, so these two will mate, and then this one is gonna be where that 10 mil bolt's at, holding up here. Alright guys, right here everything is connected and mated. We installed the kill switch. You're going to be installing the two portions onto the black leads. The kill switch is right here. Make sure you don't tuck anything away first when verifying it all works. Obviously we got the 0. This means it's off. It should not start. Clutch in. Nothing. No start. Alright. Now we're going to turn it on. Let's check it out. Good to go. There it is. Everything working properly, right? Sheesh. Everything working good. Make sure everything is verified like I did before you start tucking things away and making everything look neat, so you're not doing your work twice. So there it is. Looking good. Alright guys, obviously it got a little darker today, but that's the finished product. Nice. Everything nice and tucked in, like nothing happened. There it is. So she wrote. Damn, bro. Took forever, huh?
Yeah,
To make everything.
A 30-minute job became 3 hours.
For real. Trying to make everything look neat, but hey, it's like nothing was ever changed. But there she is. That's all she wrote. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And catch you on the next one. Diles.
A face of rocks.
Oh, oof. Oof.
But we okay now.
Alright, catch you on the next one.